Have you ever felt like your money is just disappearing? One day it's there, the next it's gone, and you have no idea where it went. If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel like a Herculean task. Between bills, subscriptions, and everyday expenses, it's easy to lose track of where your hard-earned money is actually going. That's where personal finance apps come in, acting as your digital financial assistant. They promise to bring clarity to your spending, help you budget more effectively, and even grow your savings. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for you? Today, we're diving deep into two of the most popular contenders in the financial tracking arena, Mint and Pocketguard. Both aim to simplify your financial life, but they take very different approaches. So, what exactly is the difference between Mint and Pocketguard, and which one will help you finally get a handle on your money? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about Mint. For years, Mint has been the go-to for many looking for a comprehensive overview of their financial health. Think of Mint as your financial command center. It connects to virtually all of your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and even loans, pulling all your financial data into one centralized dashboard. This allows you to see your net worth at a glance, track your spending across categories, and even set up budgets. One of Mint's biggest strengths lies in its budgeting capabilities. It automatically categorizes your transactions, and while it's not always perfect, it's a great starting point. You can then customize these categories and set spending limits for each. Mint will alert you if you're close to exceeding your budget in a particular area, helping you stay on track. Beyond budgeting, Mint also offers bill tracking reminders, credit score monitoring, and personalized financial advice. It's a robust platform designed to give you a holistic view of your finances. Now, let's shift gears and look at Pocketguard. While Mint is about the big picture, Pocketguard takes a more focused approach, living up to its name by emphasizing what money you actually have available to spend right now, often referred to as disposable income. Imagine you've paid all your bills and allocated money for savings. Pocketguard tells you precisely how much is left over. Pocketguard's core feature is its In My Pocket calculation. It analyzes your income, subtracts your recurring bills, planned savings contributions, and even future debt payments to show you exactly how much money is safe to spend without jeopardizing your financial goals. This is incredibly useful for those who want to avoid overspending and prefer a clear, immediate understanding of their discretionary funds. It also helps you identify areas where you can save more, pointing out excessive spending on subscriptions or other recurring charges. Pocketguard also offers budgeting tools, but they are simpler and more focused on that spendable amount rather than intricate category breakdowns. So, when do you choose one over the other? If you're someone who wants a broad, detailed overview of all your financial accounts, including investments and a deep dive into budgeting categories, Mint is likely a better fit. It's perfect for those who enjoy meticulously tracking every dollar and want a complete financial picture. However, if your primary goal is to prevent overspending, understand your daily disposable income, and simplify your financial tracking to just the essentials, Pocketguard shines. It's ideal for people who need a clear, quick answer to "Can I afford this?" and prefer a more streamlined approach to budgeting. Ultimately, the best app for you depends on your personal financial style and what you hope to achieve. Both Mint and Pocketguard are powerful tools that can empower you to make smarter financial decisions. It's really about finding the tool that resonates with how you want to manage your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.